Aura is defined as a strange tissue of time and space. To follow with the eye, a mountain range on the horizon, is to breathe the aura of those mountains. Walter Benjamin, a 20th century philosopher and cultural critic, published an essay in 1935, arguing that technology had permitted artworks to be reproduced and distributed widely, causing the original works to lose their authenticity, which he termed their aura. Until the Middle Ages, artworks existed in one place. Reproductive technology now allows artworks to exist in many places. By replicating a work, its unique existence becomes a mass existence, which devalues its authenticity. Reproductions lack the aura of original art. Art was born in ritual. Often, art was restricted to medicine men or high priests. Each work was unique and possessing of an aura. The modern trend is the desire of the masses to get closer to things and to overcome each object's uniqueness. There is a struggle between an artwork's cult value and its exhibition value. By freeing art of its ritualistic purpose, opportunities for exhibition increased. Technologies of reproduction through photography and film exponentially increased exhibition. Graphic art was first made reproducible through woodcuts in the late Middle Ages, but only became possible for limited mass production with lithography. However, photography in the 19th century marked the true technological breakthrough in the reproducibility of artworks. Benjamin explained his theory through an analysis of film, advanced technology in 1935. He linked the lack of aura in film to modern self-alienation, closely tied to capitalist exploitation, and ultimately leading to fascism. He viewed the film industry as having an overriding interest in stimulating the involvement of the masses through illusionary displays and ambiguous speculations in order to distort and corrupt the original and justified interest of the masses in film. The same is true of film, as of fascism. A compelling urge towards new social opportunities is being clandestinely exploited in the interest of a property-owning minority. The masses are criticized for seeking distraction in film, while the art lover supposedly approaches art with concentration. A person who concentrates before an artwork is absorbed by it. By contrast, the distracted masses absorb the work into themselves. Benjamin observed that fascism's goal was to organize the masses while leaving intact existing property and power relationships. Fascism granted expression to the masses, but never granted them rights. Has anything really changed since he wrote this? Walter Benjamin committed suicide in 1940 to avoid arrest by the Gestapo. However, his theories live on and are as valid today as when he published them. He could not have imagined our digitalized and interconnected world. Nevertheless, his theories help us to understand it.